All right, let's talk money. More specifically, let's talk about getting your money out of Acorns. You've been diligently investing your spare change, maybe even maxing out those contributions, and now you're wondering, how do I actually get my hands on this cash? Good question. Acorns is fantastic for building wealth over time, but there are going to be moments when you need that money. Maybe it's for a down payment on a house, a big vacation, or even just a rainy day fund. Whatever the reason, knowing how to withdraw your funds is crucial. First things first, let's clarify something. Acorns isn't a traditional bank account. While it does offer some banking features, it's primarily an investment platform. This means your money is invested in a portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. So, when you withdraw, you're essentially selling a portion of your investments. Now, let's dive into the process. Withdrawing from your Acorns Invest account. This is the most common scenario. You've been investing for a while, your portfolio has grown, and you're ready to cash out. Here's how you do it. Log into your Acorns account. This can be done through the app or the website. Navigate to the Invest tab. This is usually where you'll find your investment portfolio. Look for the Withdraw option. It might be labeled differently, but it should be pretty clear. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be mindful of the amount. Withdrawing too much might impact your investment strategy. Choose the bank account where you want the money transferred. Make sure this account is linked to your Acorns account. Once you've confirmed the details, your withdrawal request is initiated. Now, here's a crucial point: it takes time. Your investments need to be sold, and then the proceeds are transferred to your bank account. This process can take a few business days. Important considerations. Market conditions. The value of your investments fluctuates based on market conditions. Withdrawing during a market downturn might mean selling your investments at a lower price. Tax implications. Depending on how long you've held your investments, you might owe capital gains taxes. It's always wise to consult with a tax professional. Fees. Some investment platforms charge fees for withdrawals. Acorns doesn't, but it's always good to double-check. Withdrawing from your Acorns checking account. If you're using Acorns checking account feature, withdrawing your money is much simpler. It's essentially like transferring money between bank accounts. You can usually transfer funds to your linked primary checking account without any fees or limits. Other withdrawal options. Acorns might offer other withdrawal options, such as transferring funds to a retirement account or linking to external payment platforms. Check your account settings for more details. Tips for successful withdrawals. Plan ahead. Don't wait until the last minute to withdraw your money. Give yourself plenty of time. Diversify your investments. A diversified portfolio can help mitigate risks associated with market fluctuations. Consider your financial goals. Before withdrawing, think about your long-term financial goals. Check for fees. Always be aware of any potential fees associated with withdrawals. So, there you have it. Withdrawing your money from Acorns isn't overly complex, but it does require careful planning. Remember, Acorns is a tool for building wealth over time. While it's essential to have access to your money, frequent withdrawals might hinder your investment growth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.